healthy meal prep ideas for busy women. Hello everyone, welcome to Skin Makeover Everything. In today's video, we're sharing some healthy meal prep ideas for busy women. Meal prep is a great way to stay on track with your nutrition goals, especially when you don't have a lot of time to cook. So if you're always on the go, these tips will help you stay fueled and healthy. But first, who are busy women? Busy women are women who have a lot of responsibilities and obligations, and may not have a lot of time for activities like cooking and meal planning. Busy women can be working professionals, students, parents, caregivers, or anyone else who has a lot of demands on their time. Meal prep can be especially helpful for busy women because it allows them to have healthy meals and snacks ready to go when they don't have time to cook. This can help busy women stay on track with their nutrition goals and avoid making unhealthy food choices due to lack of time or convenience. First, let's talk about why meal prep is so important. Not only does it save you time during the week, it also helps you make healthier choices. When you have meals prepped and ready to go, you're less likely to turn to takeout or processed foods. Plus, meal prep can help you save money by buying in bulk and avoiding costly convenience foods. Now, let's get into some meal prep ideas. Make a batch of grain bowls. Cook up some quinoa, brown rice, or another grain and mix in some protein like tofu or grilled chicken. Add in some veggies, like roasted Brussels sprouts or sautéed spinach, and you've got a delicious and healthy meal that can be eaten throughout the week. Prep some protein-packed snacks. Hard-boiled eggs, turkey roll-ups, and homemade protein bars are all great options that can be made in advance and taken on the go. Plan out your meals for the week. Take some time on the weekend to plan out your meals and make a grocery list. This way, you can buy all the ingredients you need and have everything ready to go when it's time to cook. Freeze meals for later. If you don't have time to cook every day, consider prepping and freezing some meals. Soup, chili, and casseroles are all great options that can be easily reheated for a quick and healthy meal. Don't be afraid to get creative. There are so many healthy meal prep ideas out there, so don't be afraid to get creative and try something new. More information. Use batch cooking techniques to save time and effort. Batch cooking involves preparing a large quantity of a particular food or meal, and then dividing it into smaller portions to be eaten throughout the week. For example, you could cook a large batch of black beans and use them in multiple meals, such as tacos, burrito bowls, and salads. Incorporate more plant-based meals into your meal prep routine. Plant-based meals, such as soups, stews, and stir-fries, are typically cheaper, lower in calories, and higher in nutrients compared to animal-based protein sources. They can also be easily prepped in advance and frozen for later. Utilize your slow cooker. Slow cookers are a great tool for busy people, as they allow you to prep a meal in the morning and come home to a delicious and ready-to-eat dinner. Consider making soups, stews, or even grains like quinoa or oatmeal in a slow cooker. Don't forget about breakfast. Breakfast is an important meal, and it's easy to skip or opt for unhealthy options when you're short on time. Consider prepping make-ahead breakfast options like overnight oats, smoothie packs, or freezer-friendly breakfast burritos to have on hand during busy mornings. Use meal prep to reduce food waste. Meal prep can help you use up ingredients that you might otherwise throw away, such as vegetables that are about to go bad or leftover grains and beans. By using these ingredients in your meals, you can save money and reduce food waste at the same time. Do you know? Firstly, one thing that many people don't know about healthy meal prep is that it can actually help improve your mental health. Secondly, meal prep can reduce the stress and decision fatigue that can come with trying to figure out what to eat on a daily basis, especially when you're busy. Thirdly, by having healthy meals and snacks already planned and prepared, you can feel more in control of your nutrition and better able to handle the demands of your busy life. Fourthly, the act of meal prep itself can be a form of self-care. Taking the time to plan and prepare nourishing meals for yourself can be a way to show yourself love and care, which can have a positive impact on your overall well-being. So while meal prep is often thought of as a practical tool for saving time and staying on track with nutrition goals, it can also have mental health benefits that may not be as widely recognized. In conclusion, healthy meal prep can be a valuable tool for busy women who want to maintain a nutritious diet despite their busy schedules. By planning meals in advance, batch cooking, utilizing slow cookers, and incorporating more plant-based meals, busy women can save time, money, and effort while still eating healthy and satisfying meals. Additionally, incorporating make-ahead breakfast options and using up ingredients that might otherwise go to waste can help busy women stay on track with their nutrition goals and reduce food waste at the same time. Overall, with a little bit of planning and organization, healthy meal prep can make it easier for busy women to maintain a healthy and balanced diet. So these are our top tips for healthy meal prep for busy women. We hope these ideas help you stay on track with your nutrition goals and make your busy days a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. Till we see in my next awesome video, it's bye-bye. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly take a moment to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button and smashing the notification bell icon next to it so that you'd be the first to be notified whenever I drop a new video. If you enjoyed this video, then watch this video and this video next.